Good evening, everyone. Welcome. Let's see if audio is good. It's always a concern, right? Audio. Good evening. I think it is. All right. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. Oh, look at the fresh head. Let's jump right into it. We're gonna be working on the boss fight some more. I have some great ideas. I already worked on it this afternoon. Made a lot of stuff actually. I was super inspired. I was also in such a flow. Like last Wednesday, I believe, I also streamed, like in the afternoon, and you know, usually I have the idea, like, if I'm working on the game anyway, why not just turn on the stream and have you guys watch and sort of hang out with me. But I was just blasting some good music and I was really in a flow, so you know what, I'll do it right now. So let's get into where we're at this moment. I'll turn down the volume a bit as the kids are, well, preparing to go to bed. So I added some wind effects, and it's actually also raining. We might actually do some background work today. Alright, so the final boss is still here. I basically have two attacks that the boss has right now, which is sort of a charge attack and a regular battle attack, much like Carly. As you can see, it's also night right here. So he has this charge that he does. He charges towards Carly, doesn't matter how far she is, but he always charges there. And then he does like a slash jump slash. The audio is still kind of placeholder, because now he only has one slash. And he also walks through. Woo! That's gonna be alright. So that's the behavior that we have right now. Again, so it's like a charge and a dash forward. And I want to make one more state that I want to make right now, and after that we'll work on the environment a little bit more. So what I want to do right now is actually I want to have the boss walk towards the middle and then start spinning faster and faster and faster, and then have like this bullet hell, so have bullets jump out. Well, bullets don't jump out, bullets shoot out, right? So let's do that. Let's do that. Do that. So, what I want to make. How are we going to do this? So I'm going to make a center point. No. A center point. That's where he's going to walk towards. And I will give him a stay away from player. No, a home in. Walk towards player. Home in on player. I can give that an override target, which I will make the center point. It's not active. Yeah, so now we have a way to walk over there. I could also. I don't think I actually need this. I can do it differently. So for that state. So I basically made the boss a state machine. It's a very simple state machine. I'll enlarge the code a bit that I can use. So let's set up some variables. We'll call this whirlwind. Alright, we'll have a couple of variables for this attack. So what I want to have like a whirl speed. I don't know what that is going to be. A wind up time. So I want it to start off slow and then become faster. Whirlwind time. So how long is he going to do this? I don't know, maybe 10 seconds. Then I also want them to have some bullets, but that's fine. Oh, right, we want to have the center point. Public. Yes. Center point. All right, that should be fine. Let's create a new state. Whirlwind. Cannot type. Whirlwind. Whirlwind. Small w. So mechanic state. Whirlwind. That's the one we're gonna make. Copy that. Oh wait. Let's copy this. Now he's going to complain because we don't have this class yet, but we'll create it right now. Mechanic state whirlwind. Let's open that up. Take my base state. Copy this into this. Base state whirlwind. And this whole state machine, if you want to know more about State Machine, I once did a video about it, but iHeartGameDev has a great tutorial video about state machines and why they are useful, and because they are epic. Right, so we'll do that after JSON attack. So I want to whirlwind, and here we will say that is the mechanic state machine. Nav-mesh agent set destination. We'll set the destination to the center point. So now he will dot position dot animator boss animator dot set boolean is walking to true. And then here we'll already check if vector3 dot distance between transform dot position and I could also check if he reaches destination. I can also check that, right? Could I? Send nav-mesh agent dot reached. No, let's not do that. We'll just check it like that. Distance between that and center point dot position is less than 0.1f. Then we have reached our destination. I will set this to false. And I will set is idle to true. And now he's just gonna wait. All right, this should already work. It should. Let's check it out. Let's make Carly invulnerable or invincible. Invulnerable. Jump. Ugh. cannot assign center point. That is truly terrible. Alright, let me speed this up as well. Let's just say 0. He has 0 charge attack, so he just does 1 regular slash attack, so that we can see if the transition works. 1, 2, 3, boom. And now he should just walk over to the center. But he doesn't. And why is that? Why is that? Why is that? Set destination. Walking is true if the distance center point position. Does it have to do with his walking behavior? I don't know what it's called. What is it called? Chase and attack. Stay away from player. Oh, sorry guys. Deactivate. Wait, but after the chase and attack, I deactivated, right? Move listener. Reset trigger. Idle. Let's see. Debug.log. Enter. Whirlwind. Let's dump my controller for a bit. Enter whirlwind. Let's say here. Dest reached. Oh wait, I do need to set is idle. Oh, it's idling. I believe it is. Is it not? Is it not that? I guess it is. Oh wait, I cannot play anymore with the keyboard. 1, 2, 3, choom. Alright, so we enter the whirlwind. But he is not walking. Is his net mesh enabled? Can I check that? Debug. Huh. Oh wait, is center point something that he can actually reach? Oh, that might be the problem. How does that work? How can we check that? Wait, let's have a look at some of the walking behaviors. Has path to target. Set enemy walking. I would actually like a, for the walk behavior, I would just, you know what, maybe I will use, let's see. Let's say I do have a home in on player. Override target center point. Let's check out that normal. You are not active. Let's add something. Home in on player. home in on player. Yes, thank you. This one can deactivate straight away. So in Whirlwind, so instead of setting this, we say player activate. Maybe home in on player is not the correct one. Maybe I want a different one. Walk towards players. I think, yes, that's the one I want. That one. Oh, that one. It's not active. So I want a different one. Sorry. Let's walk towards player. Towards player. This one will activate, and then we'll say destination reach dot add listener start world wind public void. Yes, start Whirlwind. Then here we'll say deactivate. Oh, did I insert? Yeah. Let's see if this works better. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Oh wait, we need to link this shish up. So I have a walk towards. Yeah, all right. So I don't need the center point anymore. Let's keep it for now. Let's see if this actually works or not. Oh, shit broke. Why? The variable walk towards player has not been assigned. Has it not? Are you sure? Override target. Wait, what's it complaining about? Enemy agent is on Nefmesh. What seems to be the problem? The variable enemy agent of walk towards player has not been enemy agent. Get component Nefmesh agent. This has the Nefmesh agent on it, right? This has the Nefmesh agent. Why does it not? If enemy agent is null, get it again. And start. I don't know. Why would it be 0? It has nothing to do with the override target, though, right? Let's see. Debug. Enemy agent. Can I see that one? No. Oh, wait. What? Deactivate. it's because it's... Is it because it is hidden? Whatchamacallit? Because it's deactivated? Is that why it cannot find it? But even if an object is deactivated, it still calls on awake, right? Oh, apparently it doesn't. Alright, so but it works right now. That's weird. If an object is hidden, it does call on awake still, right? Well, apparently it doesn't. Alright, so now it walks to the center. Now I'm just going to steal some code from Carly, because Carly actually also has a whirlwind attack. That is the heavy charge attack. Whirling, 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 whirling. I believe I just have her whirl. Whirl. The time has come to push that button. Do oh. Oh. So it's basically a number of... I just want him to spin. Let's see if I can... Using dg.tweening, this might actually be pretty okay. So start whirling. So let's make a private, no, it should be public, right? A public I enumerator whirl, whatever. Yield return, new wait for seconds, and this will be the whirl time, whirlwind time. So after this, I'm going to stop. So as soon as I have a hitbox, I will turn that one on. Hit, nay. In the dash. Attack box. Because my thinking was it's not a hitbox, but set active true. So if you come close, you also get hit. And then you can actually false. So let's say here that as soon as you reach, you deactivate, and then we're gonna say if you die, whatever. Save the coroutine. Coroutine whirling. So we'll start the coroutine. Whirling is, but this is an abstract class, so it cannot start the coroutine, but the parent can whirl. And then as soon as we exit this state, if whirling not is null, then we can stop the coroutine whirling. Yes. Alright, so here we say transform the do rotate, end value, new vector 3 0.360 0. And what time? So this is going to be the speed, I guess. The whirl speed. incremental so that it keeps looping. And then it will, but now it will sort of Oh, thanks for correcting my typos. I am very very dyslexic, so at the end, when everything is said and done, I will run everything through a spell check and have someone actually lined up to check all the dialogue, because yeah, it's going to be riddled with spelling errors. But thank you. I might just change it right away. Let's see what this does. I have actually no idea. This should take him to the middle, and then he should start spinning. I might want to reset his... Now he should walk to the middle and start spinning. But he doesn't. Why? I know. Silly me. So he doesn't... I keep opening Blender. So he actually doesn't spin because his NavMesh agent should be disabled. Because otherwise his NavMesh agent dictates his movement, obviously. So he starts and now he just starts straight away. That might actually be fine. Maybe we won't need the wind up time. Maybe we won't need it. We'll see. Why do I keep opening Blender? Get away there, Blender. Get away. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Alright, center. He is actually turning, but oh wait, yeah. So his speed. So he is actually working, but his speed. So whirl speed. So this is right now the seconds it takes for him to do one full circle. So that would mean that 10 seconds would be one turn. So yeah, that's pretty slow. So now we go to the middle. Now you should just spin infinitely. I still think 0.5 to do 360. That still feels a bit weird. Can I say fast beyond or something? Does it have another option? Set loops? Wow. Set loops. Quaternion vector. Quaternion option. Quaternion option. Well, wasn't it like fast beyond? Huh. Maybe this should be less. Do rotate. Set ease. Let's, whenever he stops, wait. Let's kill everything. True. Let's do the same here. Then just simply rotate towards 0. In 0.2 seconds. So wherever he is, he should now go back to his OG position. Let's just speed that up. It feels weird. 360 in half a second? Was that slow? I guess so. Now it should be turned for 10 seconds. Oh, it should be 180. And then we enable the thing again. All right. I do feel like this should be really fast. Oh well. Whatevs. All right, let's set this to, let's say it whirlwind. Set trigger whirlwind. All right. Then we're going to the animator. We're going to make a trigger. Call that whirlwind. We'll make a thing. Call this one. Call this whirlwind. We'll set that for now to statue. Statue pose. This one is whirlwind because that also loops. That should be fine. Cannot transition to itself. Cool. Now let's see if this works, and then we'll make a pose for the bad boy. And then stuff is going pretty fast. Oh, doesn't the statue pose loop? Huh? Statue pose should loop. Should it not? Animator. Statue pose is looping, actually. Then what is going on here? I already know what's going on. I need to say, set the booleans. Wait, where did I do that here? Now that should work. All right, let's hop. We're all over the freaking place here tonight, Nuggets. Which is the way I love to make games. Just going all out. Alright, so we'll take an idle. We'll dupe it. We'll call this one whirlwind. This one just has to be a simple pose. So the way I like to do that is, so as you might have noticed, his fighting style is a bit similar to that of Carly. So, I most definitely want him to move back a bit. Or is Carly's fighting style similar to his? flaps going everywhere. Might actually need to go a little bit through the knees. Would like his arm, his sword to be. Oh, no, 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 no. Sort of like so. Yeah, should be good. Should be good. I don't know. Never know. Now, characters. I don't know why I put the bosses in the characters folder. This is really, really annoying. All right, we'll go in here. We'll add another whirlwind. That has to go to a 1 and that can loop. Right. Whirlwind pose. Let's right away add some effects. Whirlwind. Sword whirlwind. Yellow. Yeah. Let's make it humongous. Let's have a whirlwind. Why not? Just simply in here. I think his sword was about waist high. About his chest high. Ugh. It's like about there. Don't play on awake. Or do play on awake. I'll just add it. So we'll go to the state machine. We'll say, oh wait, that one. Whirlwind VFX. Whatever happens, we'll deactivate it. And then in the whirlwind, where we go here, we say whirlwind VFX set active true. And then as soon as we are done, turn it to false. Ooh, we might actually go into charge. That looks like that might look like a cool pose. It will now not work because the charge, I believe, goes into a different animation, which might not actually work. Something's broken. Yes, the VFX, of course, are broken because I still need to drag that in. Oh, we don't need the center point anymore. Remind me to remove the center point. To the center, it spins in a different direction. It's also way. Oh, then it just goes into that one. That is fine. All right, so this does not look cool because he has his sword behind him, but I sort of want this to be straight. So this is just not cool looking. I think if he spins fast enough, this doesn't matter. I think Carly also does it like that. now, let's export this again. So I feel like he's spinning the wrong direction. Whirlwind speed. I'm not sure why he's not speeding up. Whirlwind speed. Because in my mind, this would mean that it would take 0.2 seconds for him to do one full spin. But that's not what's happening here. Like in my mind, he should go way faster. But it's like 0.005. What is that? It's like those are bullshit numbers. See, now he's way too freaking fast. Like, what is this? No, because I was at 0.0.5. This makes no sense. Do rotate. Does it have a rotate Y? Do local rotate? Does that even matter? Loop type incremental. Continuous increment to tween at the end of each loop cycle. That's always moving forward. Yeah, alright. I could actually set this to inelastic. That way he would have some ramp. Inelastic, would that be the best? Oh. Oh, then he does inelastic every time. I do like the pose much better. Oh, so he does that. Oh, let's just do linear. All right, 0.05 it is. Ooh, there was a lightning strike there. Actually want him to go faster. Look, like he's seemingly not going any faster. That is like weird. Give him like a cooldown, and then I would say is idling true on F. I'm like, now he should go half as fast. I'm not getting this whole spinning thing. Why is he not spinning any faster? He should be spinning faster. Oh, see, now he's spinning much faster. That is like crazy. Why would 360 be, or is it not? Is 360 one? Does do tween thing? Look, and now it's going super slow. 1, 2, 3. now he should be spinning 3 times faster. Is he though? Or is this just too fast? 0.05. I don't get it. I just want you to spin faster. So this is way too fast. I hate this tweaking. I don't like it because it's random. I feel like I don't have any control over it. So this would be fine. Whoa. Why didn't he stop spinning? Oh, because oh, wait. So this should go here. Then it should start, and then the attack box can stop. That is fine. And then we should wait a second. And then we should start idling. And we can set 1 to true again. All right. Right. I like that. I still think he should spin a little bit faster, but then it will be 0.08. Alright. Let's remove the center point. Center point. Whirlwind speed. I don't know. Okay, so now I want to have him shooting spiral, shooting octo. So these are yeah. Yes. So I want this one. Because we are going to fire some bullets. Doesn't need a muzzle flash. Fire a bullet. A bullet. Now I want the center point again. LOL. LOL. So we just removed it, but I want to get it back. And I also want a float called bullet speed, which I think should be around 20. Yeah, so we need the center point back again, because from the center point we're going to fire some bullets. Rotation, and then this would be the bullet speed. Yeah, that's cool. Cool and all. Center point still here? Yeah. But that should be around Carly's height. more like from his crotch. That might actually be a bit awkward. Let's see what happens. That might actually be really awkward. We'll see. We'll see. Center point. Yes. Bullet speed. Maybe 25. Okay, so he doesn't do anything right now. So, but here he is spinning, right? So we wait for this. Do I just want to start shooting bullets? Like bullet. You know what I could do? I could take the center point, put it in front of him. That way, from that ring outwards, he's sort of going to shoot the bullets. Fire a bullet every... I could say, like, wow. I could just spawn a bullet every, let's say, fire rate is like every half second. So let's also make a public enumerator fire routine. Let's say fire a bullet, and then yield return new wait for and fire rate, and then just fire routine. So let's also save that one. Firing. So here we say, all right. And I could actually say, all right, so I want to give you some startup time. Just wait 1 second before you start firing, and then here after this I can actually say stop coroutine. Nope. Firing. I can check if firing not equals null, because I can also quit this. Let's say we happen to die in the middle of something. Let's see what this does. Let's see what this does. And let me, while we're at it anyway, you said finally. Finally, I think you have a typo in finally. Oh, it's not double N, it's double L. Classic. Your. It's also supposed to be UR. That's UR here. Well, whatever. So now it goes to the center. Just wait 1 minute, and then he is shooting, but stuff is hitting because the hitbox is not ignore hits. This yellow sword thing should not even have a glider. This one does have one. Should be ignore hits. Thank you very much. Then that should be it. Do 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 do. Oh, I actually got hit. Wow. So, right now, fire rate. Let's frickin' go all out. Let's get those bullets. Whoa. Why doesn't he rotate anymore? That is crazy, right? Why does that alter his... Well, huh? This is a new routine, right? That doesn't affect this, does it? There's some really weird stuff going on here. Does it? It's a new coroutine, right? That does not affect this whatsoever. But perhaps if it's like super heavy on the CPU, but it doesn't seem to be. I could check that, right? Stats. Where's my frames? Yeah, oh, it's 300 FPS. Doesn't drop. Does that matter? I find it weird because it slowed down turning. Why? Oh, I hate this random stuff. I don't see this. Oh. No, it's even slower. Oh, the... I honestly don't get it. Since point. That could be zero. That could be zero. So if I humor me here for a second. So I set this to 5. Why is it turning so slow? Like, why does the fire rate influence? Why does the fire rate influence how fast I turn? I'm going to not do it with DoTween. I'm going to manually do it. that even better. I'm going to completely separate the two. So I'm going to not take the center point, but I'm going to set that to the actual center. So the center point is now something separate. I will say start firing. And I might also say something like this. I wonder what this does. Let's see what happens now. Divided by 2? No. Times 2. No, let's just say let's see if the two are the two should be separated right now. Still going so frickin' slow, like why? Why does that matter? Why are the two linked? I don't get it. See if it does a spiral right now. Oh wait, it still rotates the center point as it's still in the boss. Oh, wait a second. 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 Aha. Alright. But I don't get why the center point would matter then. Oh, because the center point was inside the thing, and then the thing was rotating the thing, and then Dutween might actually also rotate the parent. Alright. Alright, alright, alright. Alright. We're getting somewhere. No? Yes? No? Unity? No? Oh! So I think it would be actually doper if he would like spawn rings. So I am still going to have him rotate, but I actually wanted to have him shoot rings. Shooting bomb, shooting octo, shooting cooldown, whirlwind? No. Shooting spiral. I think I should go to the burst ball for that. Where's my burst ball? Enemies, bomb, bosses, octopus, tunnel worm, the burst ball. Max spread, bullets, bullet speed. Yeah, so it needs a. I think I can set that here. I don't have to tweak that. I can give him like 30 bullets. Burst ball behavior. I think I like that better. He should have a fire bullet circle. Yes, he does. Whirlwind. Let's not. Oh wait, I actually want to keep this. Because it should do like that. Number of bullets, so this should be center point. Transform bullet speed. Bullet speed. Oh, what is it? A double faction. And now it does that. That is cool. Now I most definitely don't want that to happen but perhaps every 0.5? I don't know. Every half a second. It should now fire like a circle. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, this is making me dizzy as hell. Whoa. I don't know what happened there, but that is making me crazy dizzy. This is also pretty annoying. So what I want to do though, is I do every time you fire a circle bullet, I want you to dot center point dot transform dot rotation equals dot center point dot transform dot rotation times 1 dot. Can I actually do that? Quaternion? No. Quaternion dot Euler rotation dot x z and y. I want this to be plus, I don't know, 25. Just should be unity engine dot random dot range from 10 to 50. Just have it rotate random bits and bobs in hopes that if you stand still, you randomly get hit every once in a while. Let's see if that actually works. So the center point is at, oh wait, crap. Is it minus 180? Something. Thank you, Unity floating point thing. Alright. Boop, 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 boop. So it is random increments. That is dope. I think this works much better. Oh, it does do double. Something strange though. Fire circle bullet. Rotates it, then it starts it again. Then after it is done rotating, it stops it. So it should actually never be able to start again after it's done. How is that even possible? No, it should not start again. No. So what happened there? Well then, private bool done whirlwind was false, and as soon as we enter, it should be false. Check switch states if done whirlwind. Frickin' hate this auto. I just switch states Amazon dot charge slash. Thank you. Done. So after this, idling is true. Done whirlwind equals true. And then we go back to the slashing. So now, let's look at it as a whole. We'll do, we're gonna do 3 of those, 2 of those, and then 10 seconds of whirling. To be fair, I should have all skills at this point. You're here. Ooh, you know what might actually be cool? When Carly is sort of sucked in. Could I do that? Can I do that? That would actually be pretty dope. Let's see. Whirlwind. Fuck yeah. Let's have this one be here. Let's put that underneath this one. Let's set that to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Like so. No, 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 no. Let's check this out. That might actually be pretty fucking cool. Can I do that? So, in order for me to move Carly always towards the... I might be able to use something like the conveyor. Let's see how that one works. Conveyor again. Let's see how the conveyor works. Conveyor belt. What does the conveyor belt do? Transform direction. Update. On trigger stay. I actually simply move the character controller. Can I do that? Can I do that? Wait, how did the conveyor do that again? Wait. Conveyor belt. In update, no. Move direction. Alright, wait up. So update. So if we're spinning, we're gonna add a new one. That would be so dope. Spinning is false. Yeah. Spinning is false. Here at the end. No, already here. Spinning is false, but as soon as you start, then spinning equals true. And as soon as you start spinning, we're gonna say player state machine dot get instance dot character controller dot move. Whoa, would this just work? Speed, I don't know, 5. So the move direction, that has to be, so here move direction is, what is that? But that needs to be, that cannot be the boss's transform, right? Can that be? Is it moved towards? So the direction is a vector. So that is the vector. Is that the vector of the player state machine? Perhaps I should ask chat. Players transform. Is that minus? Oh, the boss. Oh, but oh wait, I do have the boss because this is in the boss. And how do I? Let me ask my good friend ChatGPT. Hey chat. So I need to like vector 3 move direction, but move direction is this. Oh wait, it's that position that normalized. This was already it, but it didn't have the position. Wow, if this works, that would be freaking epic. Because that would mean you are sort of sucked in. That's pretty dope. Oh wait, now we're going to test this again. This one has to be turned off. I will have all these at 0. Now he should straight away. Oh, he's gone. Well, that's not good. It actually works, but I am moving away from... Oh man, it fucking works. That is so epic. That is so epic. That is so epic. Let's get a suck speed. Float. Suck speed equals -10. That is pretty dope. I hope I have it set up correctly. Again, quank. Alright. Oh, it is dragging me in. That is so cool. Look, and this is making it way harder. Oh, this is epic. Love it. Love it. I love it. Because now he can also suck me in and he's like, hitting me again and again. He is now. So now that I have died and he starts again. Oh, yes, they are, Christopher. I love it. For some reason, now that I have died, stop firing. He keeps firing double. Why? So I wonder if I die, if he actually stops firing. Hey, why is he not spinning anymore? That is so weird. Like, why is he not spinning? So I wonder if I turn this one on. No, see, it's actually not spinning, though I do think I should do kill him, and I should actually say this. This should actually also happen. Just in case. Firing spinning should also always be set to false, although when I come back it is set to false. I should re-enable my navmesh agent. Oh, I also don't. Oh, alright. I do stop firing, right? Yeah, so that should stop firing. That should just quit this thing. Start coroutine world. MSM stop coroutine. It should just it should quit. But now I find it freaking weird again. Why he doesn't turn. Look, what is going on there? Why is he not? Why is he not spinning? Why? Why? Simply why? You know what? Let's see if this makes a difference. So let's add a game object above here. Let's call that model. And so instead of the entire thing, I shouldn't technically then even need to stop the navmesh agent. So, but let's, instead of the whole object itself, let's just spin the model. Model.transform. Model.transform. Yeah, no, that's correct. Then that should deactivate. Whirling should start. Oh, I know what's happening. So yes, it did indeed whirl twice, and this is why I think it is fucking me over. Oh, can I say that on YouTube? Yes, I can, because I lost my monetization because I didn't upload any videos. So I can say whatever I want. Yeah, so this is a problem. I didn't remove the listeners. So every time I would start this phase, it would add a listener to when it reached its destination. It would start whirling. Then when I would reset, it didn't remove the listener. So it was technically, it still listened to the first destination reached, and then it subscribed again. So then it said, hey, I reached my destination, start whirling. I reached my destination, start whirling. And so on, and so on, and so on. So whenever I exit this state, I should remove the listener. Oh my God. So that means that it was spinning against itself and spinning. So I might actually just remove this model stuff again. Because I think it was fine without it. I will keep the model because I might use it for something else. I don't know. Oh, I hate listeners and events and I freaking hate that. Oh my God. Alright, so it's still not spinning correctly, but that might be... you know what? I might actually, for the sake of it, say remove all listeners. As well as soon as I started let's remove all listeners. Yeah. It still looked to rotate bizarrely not fast enough, so I might actually also just still use the model thing. Because that might actually be better. Boss animator. Let's see if this makes a difference. Differente. Does it make a differente? Yes, it does. Yeah, so but now different things going on, and that is the fact that the yellow whirlwind is also spinning with the thing, which I don't like, because that makes the whirlwind whirl, which makes it look super weird. Yeah, so that's better. Oh, I like the fact that it sucks you in. Oh, that is such a good idea. That is such a good idea. I think the whirlwind needs to be bigger, though. I think this could be like 2. I don't know. I should tweak it. Oh yeah, there's something weird going on there. Should sort of tweak it right now. Oh, that's weird. So some, let's say, oh, I should have, crap. I should have pressed play or pause instead of. Patrick, attack! Hey, if Patrick attacks him, does he stop spinning? Why? Oh, because he... Because he gets attacked, and then he starts to... It is, though, actually pretty easy. To kill him right there. I think that is because I say animate on hit. If I say animate on hit, if I turn that off, does he then keep spinning? Because then I will turn it off while he's spinning. I can do that. I can animate on hit. So whirl as you start whirling. Dot boss destructible dot animate on hit. Ooh, that's not a property. Animate on hit. I'll just make it a public. I think that's fine. Animate on hit equals false. And then after this, hit is true. Ah, fixing stuff. Fixing stuff. We're fixing stuff. Stuff is fixed. This is actually really freaking hard. All right, let's see. Like for real though, for real. Number of slash attacks. Let's set that to 3 again. Number of these attacks to 10 again. And let's have him whirl for 8 seconds. Let's bring the speed down a bit. Alright, again, technically I will have all skills. I can use Patrick. Although I do know that in the beginning attack. Oh, that is actually pretty bad. Oh no. Oh crap. Oh crap. Come on, Patrick. Oh no! I almost had him. I actually don't know what happens. Alright, so, but I think it is doable, and I think with Patrick being able to kill him while he's in slash, I think we can make him a little bit more difficult, so give him a little bit more health. So during those, yeah. A little bit more of those attacks. It is the final boss, right? So I actually think we're at a pretty good place. Let's do something else for a little while. Let's focus a little bit on the environment. So where this is in Ironhaven, the place that you're looking for the entire game, which is like a giant crater. So let me think about this. Where do I want this to be? I am thinking it is like, so you get here from the Iron Wastelands, which I think is still a bit weird. Because you basically walk through this pipe and then you get there. So like the idea of like having a underground pipe system, that's fairly well established within the game, right? So even within the tunnels, so you might actually exit a tunnel and then get to that place. But Ironhaven, in my head, it was a town. So it might actually be a town. So there's like in the intro level, I have like this destroyed building. I could repurpose this one. Although I don't think there's water there. So it might be cool to fight in a location like this. Huh, what do I want it to be? So it's changed a bit, right? What it was. So I do still think it is actually a town. might be really cool to have a town that is not flooded. Nah, although if you're above the ground, then everything is flooded. Because like even the Iron Wastelands, they are sort of flooded, right? There's a lot of water here. Everywhere, only here because it's dammed in. There's no water, but here there's water everywhere. Let's start off the basis that I want something. No, all right. So let's keep it. Let's keep it consistent. Then I want to have like something like this, but bigger. Or is this actually a pretty good arena? I am actually not sure. Let's see if we can find out. No, so that is way too small. So that most definitely almost needs to be twice as big. All right, so we're going for water. So we're going for water here again. It could be an island. I like the idea of this being an island. Let's go with that. I'll make it an island. I'm an island boy. Water. I'm an island boy. Paste water. This is way too much water, but whatever. Right. Then let's go from the thing with the thing, you know? The thing with the thing. The thing with the thing. Entrance. What is the entrance? Oh, the entrance is only that. All right. Let's copy that. Let's wait. Section. Let's make 2 sections. Let's call this one entrance as well. Paste as a child. It should all be 0, 0. Yep. And let's copy in here. No, not that one. I will just copy all this stuff. Do. Copy all this stuff. Do. I'll copy this one. Copy. And let's say paste as a child. Right. I don't think I need the fences, do I? No, don't think so. This one's all 0, 0. So let's say I enter in here. Or I can enter through there and walk back. Enter to the side. That might actually be better. It's like an island, right? An island, big pipe and spawn point. Ooh. that. I'll delete my spawn point and I should spawn there right away. What is happening? I am out of bounds. Alright, dope. Thank you, level bounds. Now I spawn right over here. That's cool. Actually take this one. Somewhat like so. You know what? Start the boss fight. That's also pretty cool. I think if this is like an island, I would love some sunken city buildings to be here, like this building. You know, are the fences on that? No, that's annoying. Like these, copy. Background. No. Paste. It's like I would love for this building to be up here. Why? What? Why? Why not? Afternoon delight. Like so, then go to the intro again. Let's copy these background buildings. Let's just say this is something called Section 02 Island Boys. I don't think these matter. The water. That's not applicable. Let's create this mix of these. Two styles. actually, there need to be a giant robot here in the water. Needs there be? Yes, there needs to be. But you don't. Y'all don't know this. Can actually. No, not a mesh filter. Mesh collider. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, frickin' level bounds. Wait, but why can't I collide with it? That is weird. Why? Oh, it's because it's animated. Oh, so I will have to. Oh well. I will have to push that down. Have it be somewhat like this. That's dope. And with this mother flipper here. Yeah, that's cool. Whoa. So, what is this? This cannot be a giant crater. Well, it actually can. It actually can be a giant crater. It has to be really deep then, if the water is this high. So it might just be a giant building. Let's just make it a giant building. Why not? Let's save this one. Let's open a new one, something new. Go to the Sunken City models. No. Blend files, environment, Sunken City. Sunken City buildings, new. Then we have a houses. Giant destroyed. I even have a giant destroyed second. Oh, that is that one. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Can I not just combine the two? Say, hey, I have these two. Can I not just say like so? Now they are one. Okay, if I want to do that, can I then not just do that in here? Why not, Lex? Because you have this destroyed building and this destroyed building. Just copy them. Go into here. Say you have an island. Say you want to paste these two. Drop them at 0, 0. And then just say, hey, so this one. Ah, but it has like this edge. Yeah, so that sucks. Because I don't want the edge. Yeah, so I kind of can't. But let's see if this would be big enough. Or if I even... if I need an even bigger... say create another house here, then I get into here. Something says like a double building like this should be fine. I think a double building should be fine. But let's then create a super special, one of kind double building. Let's do that right now. Let's just do that right now. I will do that right now. So 90 by 60. So let's say I have some 90 by 90. So let's then make it 100 by 120. Is that 90? This could be 60. All right, let's do it. Mouse is not working with me here. No, that's fine. Subdivide. Oh wait, it's not square, so that is... Yeah, so that is a problem. It should actually be 90 by 120. Otherwise... transform. Otherwise, oh, I already can't. Oh well, let's see then what happens. But in that case, I might still make it larger. so. Roof tiles. So these should be roof tiles. I'm not really sure why these aren't loading. Why are they not loading? Art assets? No. Materials. Textures. Roof tile. Concrete tiles. UV editing. I could just say reset, right? Yeah, so these are not square, so that is a problem. Well, maybe it isn't a problem. Now I can pick out random ones and I can actually push them down, stuff like that. Have all sorts of cool stuff. Then I could say dirt sign. I will also take one giant big piece out. So for this plaster one, let's go to materials, textures, damaged plaster. Let's say another one, which is plaster 02 for this edge. No, I want to go plaster 2, assign. Why is that still broken then? That's really annoying. Hard assets, materials, just relink them all. I think I once moved this folder and since then it is just basically all broken, which is really, really annoying. Smart pack that. For this, I should mark this seam and delete these faces. Then I should select all of these and then say UV unwrap minimum stretch. Don't like that. Don't like that at all. Angle based. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Just these. Should go like this, and then these should go to 0, these should go to 1, and these should move up, these should move up, then it should all tile, yeah, right, so it does. Now something I want to do is first I want to export this one, so I will call this Battlegrounds building final boss. So export that. I will export it to the Sunken City. Basic prop. I will say Battlegrounds final boss. Building final boss. Whatevs. Right. Battlegrounds building final boss. I did name it differently. Final boss building. That's why you shouldn't. Minus 90. Nope. It's normal 90. I will make this a nav mesh modifier. Oh, Yep, I should do one thing differently. So in order for me to do this, let's say dirt, select, roof tiles, select. I should split this up. And I should separate it. Tiles, and now I should, as this thing, I should say export FBX. Final boss building. Now this thing can get a box glider and a NavMesh modifier. And then this thing can get a mesh glider. Yeah. Come on, mouse. Stop messing with me. It can go a little bit higher. Then we should take the entire boss and move him up. Charge particles. Should be in there. And then navigation. We should delete this thing. Then bake everything. Now water. I actually. Oh wait, no, it should be a NavMesh modifier, because otherwise Patrick can swim. Oh. Oh! That is a problem that we need to fix. I will put some walls around the building so you cannot actually exit the building, but we'll do that in a little while. Yes, so dirt. Skippable dirt. Plaster. Gray overgrown. Gray overgrown. Dark gray overgrown. Yeah. Then roof tiles. Light. Lightly warm. Light. Don't necessarily like that one. Light. Let's use this one. So what I think I want to do is have some fun. Still copy this building. Copy that. Oh, it's almost 10 o'clock again. Damn. Island. Island boy. Now the question is, why is that such a different color? And I sort of wanted the big bot to be lying on this one. Like so. And then half on the other one. Like so. And I will have to make sure that that thing is properly destroyed. might actually have just separate. Might export only the separate pieces so I can place it anywhere I like. But given this fact, let's see where we're at. Oh, I turned it 90 degrees, so it's where the many holes are. So it's this side. So now I might actually just want to say, alright, so this bit, maybe not that. This bit is just destroyed. As well as this bit. And what I did, I believe, was like so, and then say, so going down, and then here I would say, down, and then I would add a plane, which I would scale larger. I can simply drop that all on the floor. Drop that. Give me some more. I don't think it needs to be this wide, actually. This should be fine. Stretch. See what happens. Dirt. So that's pretty cool. Then, nope. I have some of these lying about. Oh, they're all inside out. Mesh, normals, flip. That should fix that. this. Then there is, of course, grass on here. Which I want to move to this whole thing. Whoa! Why is that the case? Let's see. Clear the object. Oh, that doesn't work. Oh. That is cool. Now we have some grass here. So what I can do is, let's see, go to the intro. Give me a simple building like this one. Copy it. Let's go to here. Go to the entrance. Paste. Just go to the pivot. Why so far? Why? Delete that fence. Now the nice thing of this section is I can move this like so. Like I can move the entire section a bit closer. So let's do that. Did I do that? So my statue should most definitely have a purple zone because I always use that for something that is interesting for the player. I most definitely need that. Let's check the navigation, bake it again. Now this thing can actually remove its navigation. Bake. Alright. Why not right away? Oh, it's almost time for bed. Oh, 2.5 hours. Oh my. Boss walls. Let's go, let's go. Let's see if I can. So I don't want you to actually move off of this island. When you're in the boss fight. And so I actually have code for that, which is in the boss fight. It says here, boss arena walls. just plop them in. And now I should be able to enter and leave. But as soon as I go to this motherflopper, now I cannot leave. Oof. And now, oh, they should have reset. Yeah, so they reset. Alright, so that is pretty cool. Do I need to fix that robot? I have him textured right here, actually. Where's my mental? Yeah, but Mesh Collider doesn't work because it's a rig, and if I delete the rig, then the whole thing blows up. What is that thing? Oh. I actually threw half of the materials on that one. Still think it's weird that you cannot put a mesh collider on. Wait, that ring. this ring right. What is this ring? So annoying. Yeah, that's that one. Yeah, but I do think I need to because I actually do want to be able to climb this thing. So I don't know why I spend all that time putting all those materials on. Do sort of kind of like the pose. Pose kind of works. Should have a lot of vines on there, stuff like that. That does work. Alright guys, I'm almost ready to call it a night. Jedi Knights, prepare to fight. But for now, I think this is pretty dope. Shall we see? As a last... No, it's getting way too late. Let's see if I can... What happens? Let's see one time speed run. See if I can beat him. Beat it. Definitely can beat him. Oh no, oh no, don't be too... I think he's already dead. He's already dead! Yes! We beat him. So he might be... So one of the things might be, as he's charging, you shouldn't be able to hit him. Only at his cooldown. I think that is actually pretty easy to do. Let's fix that, then I'll call it a night. So, during his chase... No, charge slash. I set his attack box active only after only during the attack. But I actually wanted, look at player. So I actually wanted active here as well. I always wanted active. Wait, let's see. Only during this downtime. Here, I just want to set it true again. So you actually want it on as soon. So now, let's close this down. Let's test it out. Now you should be getting hit as soon as he starts charging, but if he cools down, then it shouldn't. Let's see if that is the case. I hope it is, because then I can go to bed. So now I get hit. Now I don't get hit. Now I do get hit. Yeah. Alright. I will play around with this a little bit more. Not 100% sure on this art. I might actually also want to have like a giant thing here, because I might want you to be able to climb this thing. So yeah, it might actually be something like this or something like that. I don't know. I will have to play around with this a bit, have a look at it. I do think it's going the right direction. Yeah, I do think it's the right direction, but it's not quite there yet. But you know, I'll just have to sleep on it and think about it. So thank you all for being here. The game's coming along really well. Like I said, I worked on it a bunch this afternoon because I was, you know, I again sort of have found this inspiration to work on the game again, which I think is really awesome, and actually a good thing. Yeah, it's coming along nicely. Keep watch for another stream, and at some point, there's a couple of big things, but at some point we will need testers, so I'll reach out to everyone. There's a couple of big things. I need some audio. Of course, this scene needs to be fixed and created. This boss battle needs to be refined a bit. There's no ending yet to the game, so definitely need to work on that. And then we need some NPCs and some quests for Junktown, because right now, if we go into Junktown, where's Junktown? And we look at the NPCs, they're all just my placeholder NPC. So I will need to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 NPCs still. I might actually scratch 1, although I do like the fact that it's a bit of life in here. Even if you're spending not that much time here. But so I still will need to make those. Yeah, and then some sound, and then some small things. And then sort of like, as I said before, the polish of the game is now at, I think, around 70%, something like that. 65, 70%. Definitely want to take that a bit higher. Also with some small fun things, perhaps some interactive elements, some stuff like that. I do have some things already, like kickable bones and stuff like that, but I only use those for the bones in the first level, so there might actually be some things running around. I have been thinking, since I have those bombs, the bombs that you can launch actually need some animations and some tweaking, but I also had the idea to have like a basketball hoop here or something like that, and then have you like throw a basketball with those bombs, because why not? I think that would be fairly simple. Stuff like that, right? I really want to add that. Yeah, and then we're nearing the end. which would be crazy. If this thing was done, I wouldn't know what to do with my life. Anyhow, see, I'm yawning. That means it's time for bed. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for hanging out. Have a great day if it's still at the beginning of your day. I'm going to bed right now. Thank you all for being here. Thank you all for hanging out. Love to see it. Keep working, and see you in the next one.